Hey guys and gals, welcome to Sweet Project Cars with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Alright, brand new trailer, and it has rust on it. Obviously, they did not primer this trailer, and I'm going to share with you how to rust proof it without using an oily mixture that will make things stick to it and be sticky and nasty every time you get around it and touch it. Now listen, you got something, you just bought it, you got something you need to rust proof. The thing you just bought is rusty, but you can't spray greasy fluid film type rust proofer on there. Let me share something with you. This trailer is brand spanking new, never had anything on it, and this is what we've run into, and there's only one way to deal with it. Now if you look inside here, you can see the rust in there. Right down in there, rust in there. There's some rust on the welds, there's rust in there, and if you look real close you can see the runs in the paint. Obviously they just painted over the raw steel may I say, but in there some more rust, and I can tell you right now, that rust right there and that, it's just a matter of time before that takes over and does its thing. Now look at this. This is the rails to get the vehicle onto the trailer, and look how rusty that is. Look how rusty this is right here. Not good. All that, and you can't spray an oily mixture on it, and if you thought you were going to primer it, you can't do that because then you'd have to repaint it. There's only one way and one product that will take care of this and give you some peace of mind, because you can see even on top of the frame rails, that little spot right there, all along here, little spots of rust right inside here, right in there. We've got to fix that. We've got to take care of that because it will get out of hand. So here's what you do. It's the only product we suggest using, and you won't have to do anything else other than put it on. Now you see this frame rail right here. This is our Loctite, and all you do is this. Make sure you shake it up good, of course. Now the chances of that rusting are gone. And of course underneath the trailer, there's rust right there. Underneath the trailer you can go ahead and use your fluid film or the mixture we gave you, with the secret mixture that we gave you. We'll put the video in there. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools and products will be.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. As we go over, I mean, it's going to be a long time before that rusts through, but we're going to paint, I guess you could say, the entire trailer with this product, with the Loctite. But everywhere we look, there's little specks of rust, and we're just going to go over the whole frame just like this. Then you can repaint it if you want, but you don't have to now. Now it's protected. It will not rust. And this is the only way you can do a finished product that you don't want to. I mean, you couldn't really do this to the outside of your car. You could if it's rusting, but if you want to protect what you bought, this is the only way to go. Look at this under here. Look at this. Brand new trailer. They just didn't care about what they painted. So we'll just do this, and then this one will get a new coat of paint because it's pretty obvious that this one's wasn't even painted. We'll let that dry for a while and come back and paint it. But let me give you another little tip here. When you buy anything new, used or new or whatever, make sure that you, especially a new trailer, if you bought a new car trailer or you bought any kind of trailer, make sure you grease up the hubs. The most working area of the trailer are the wheels. If there's grease zerks on your springs, then you'll grease those up. But we're going to grease these up just so we know for sure that they're greased up. And we can do that one-handed. That's the cool part of this little tool right here. You can see the grease move in there. So we're going to do that. I highly suggest doing it, because if you use the trailer and then for some reason they didn't grease the bearings and you go to take it back, they're going to say, well, we greased them. You should have checked it. Well, it's going to be your responsibility. So grease up everything. If you buy a used car, go through, grease up everything. Check all the oils, everything, because it'll come down to your word against theirs. You definitely don't want to have problems right out of the gate. So make sure you use the right tools. GoPro, stop recording.